Yeah, go ahead and take care of your clients. I'm just gonna sit here and wait, okay? I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Hi, excuse me, ma'am. Do you mind if I can get this chair? I have another client's waiting for a pedicure. Thank you. I'm sorry about that. Oh, it's been 45 minutes? Okay, I think I should be dry now. All right, I think I should be dry now. Thank you very much. I think I should be good to go, right? Am I dry? Okay. All right, guys, you guys have a good day, okay? Thank you for the pedicure. Oh, I'm sorry. I just messed up my toenail. I'm sorry, but I messed up my toe. What happened? It's not dry yet? You've been here for 45 minutes. You hit into the car door? Oh. Okay, sit there and I'll fix it for you, okay? I'll fix it for you.